Saturn's moon, Rhea. Intro. Today I'll be talking about Rhea. No, not the bird, but the moon Rhea. Rhea is a small, cold, airless body that is very similar to its sister moon Dio and Thres. As with the two other moons and Earth's moon, Rhea is tidally locked in phase with Saturn as it completes its 4.5 Earth days orbit around it. Rhea is 3/4 ice and 1/4 rock. When and who discovered it? Rhea was discovered by a guy named Giovanni Cassini on December 23, 1672. He was an Italian mathematician, astronomer, astrologer, engineer who discovered 4 satellites of Saturn and noted the division of its ring. The Cassini division was named after him. Mythology behind the moon. The name Rhea comes from the Greek goddess or Titan Rhea, who was daughter of Uranus and Gaia. Her husband was Kronos, the Roman Saturn. That's why Saturn and Rhea both have rings. Rhea was also called the mother of gods because she gave birth to several gods of Mount Olympus, including the 3 main ones: Hades, Poseidon, and Zeus. Origin. There are 2 main theories that I found. One is the co-accretion theory, which is that the materials around Saturn disk come together to form the moons, similar to the process of our planets in a solar system. Another was the collision theory, that Rhea may have formed when 2 Titan-like moons collided. The debris of the collision clumped together to form Rhea and Iapetus. Size and distance. Rhea is the second largest moon of Saturn, but with a mean radius of 475 miles, 764 kilometers, it is less than a third of the radius of Saturn's largest moon, Titan. Rhea, at a distance of 327,500 miles or 527,000 kilometers, is farther away from Saturn and Dome and Thres. It is like 100,000 miles more distance than the distance that our Earth and moons are from each other. And it is told that the distance between our Earth and our moon can fit all the planets together. Then imagine how far Rhea is from Saturn. Surface. 2 Voyagers 1 and 2 encountered Rhea in 1980 and 1981, and its images showed that Rhea's feature could be divided into 2 regions. The first being heavily cratered, bright terrain with craters larger than 25 miles, 40 kilometers across, and a second type of area in which part of polar and equator region that is darker with craters less than 25 miles and 40 kilometers across. Many believe that this distance may indicate that there was a major resurfacing event sometime in Rhea's history. Surface Part 2. The Voyager image also showed a mysterious linear wispy line with lengths of tens to hundreds of miles. In 2006, Cassini's spacecraft images showed that the wispy area are subterranean fractures that make canyons that are several hundred meters high. The walls of these canyons are bright because darker materials fall off them, exposing fresh by ice water. The fracture cliffs shows Rhea may have been tectonically active in its past. Atmosphere. The Cassini aircraft detected a very thin atmosphere known as exosphere, infused with oxygen and carbon dioxide around Rhea in 2010. Oxygen in Rhea's surface is estimated to be 5 trillion times less dense than what we have at Earth. That's it. Thank you for your time.